Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over another new Net 30 vendor trade line to build your business credit up. This video is not going to be too long. I've touched on OtterBox in the past briefly, but I want to give you guys some more data points and insights. So that's what we're going to be covering today. So make sure you watch the whole thing. And don't get discouraged about something that I may say. Just watch the whole video because this account can help you in more ways that you may know. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before I do, please hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Like 35% of you guys that are watching, ladies and gentlemen, you guys are not subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. The channel's growing so much, and now that it's starting to really pick up, I'm trying to shoot 3 videos every single day, especially for this month. So that's why you don't want to miss out. There's a video coming out after this and another one shortly after that, and every day this week, hopefully for the rest of this month, 2 videos every day. Okay, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, I'm going to be doing a live probably later on this evening on Credit Josh channel, on my other channel for personal credit. All right, without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. Okay, so OtterBox, you guys may know, like cell phone cases or whatever. OtterBox is one of the biggest companies out there that make they're quite expensive cases, but they make very strong cases. If you look on like eBay or Amazon, you can spend anywhere from $20 to $60 on a case. They're very strong, good cases, but they sell quite a few other things. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about OtterBox Business. Okay, so don't go to just OtterBox main website because you won't see the business side. So you have to go to otterboxbusiness.com. I'll have the link in the description below. They do offer a Net 30 account. They offer, let's see here, just to show you guys real quick, they have almost every cell phone you can imagine, cases, screen protectors, and they got like wireless power banks, power kits, cables, car chargers. Keep in mind, OtterBox is high quality too. And they also offer stands, mounts, clips, keyboards, stuff for gaming as well, and even outdoor stuff like they sell coolers and all kinds of stuff. But anyways, you guys can check that out. I'm not going to get into all that, but what I will say is they give you discounts getting a business account. So what you're going to want to do is go over to the link I have in the description below. You can see up here where it says approved silver tier, enjoy 20% off MRSP. So you're going to get 20% off right away, and then the more you spend, you're going to get actually even more than that discount and stuff. Keep in mind, you can't really resell this as online, the products. I guess you could if you have a little store or something, you could resell it, but you have to go through the brand department to get actually approval to sell, like on Amazon online and stuff. But so what you're going to do is create an account first. I can't really click on that because I have my account logged in, my approval account logged in, that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So you're going to create an account. After you create an account, make sure you put everything that matches the same as like on your Dun and Bradstreet. That's who they're going to pull when you apply for the Net 30 account. They're going to pull Dun and Bradstreet. Okay. And they offer Net 30 payment terms, and it actually every Thursday is when they do their send out the invoices. So if you ordered, say, on a Monday, it's not net 30 days from that point on. It's actually from that Thursday going forward. So you could actually be like 35, 40 days net terms. So as you guys can see here, my company got approved for net 30, and it is, let's see here, where's it at? I know it said the limit here somewhere. So I'm not tax exempt, so that doesn't really, anything to do with me, but okay. So you can see here, it says credit information amount requested is $1,500. Obviously, this isn't one that you're going to want to ask for a lot, because they're probably not going to approve you, especially being new. So what you're going to want to do is just apply for $1,000 or $1,500. Keep in mind, it doesn't really matter about, the amount that you get approved for, because it's how much you spend is actually what actually matters, So like I said, they're going to pull Dun and Bradstreet. They're going to want to see you have at least like a paydex score, at least 3 trade lines. Time in business really doesn't matter too much. They are going to want to see when you felt that. It's like a really generic little small application, but you'll get somebody to email you from the credit department, and they'll ask to see probably your IRS letter showing your EIN number. And I think that's about it. They will ask for 3 trade references. So you're going to have to give 3 trade references. You could use, say, Uline or Quill, but they don't actually reach out to those companies on the phone. They shoot an email to them and then just ask, if you're current. It's very kind of old fashioned how they do it. But like I said, it's not a bad account to have. It gives you discounts. And now let me tell you the bad thing. It does not report to any business credit bureau. But hang on there, you guys, okay? Once you start getting into a lot of these different applications, like say Macy's, Bloomingdale's, a lot of them ask for trade references, and you can't just put Quill and Uline and stuff, because you don't have an actual direct person you can actually reach out to. Information that they'll give. Well, with OtterBox, you get that information to be able to, tell them who to reach out to and stuff, So reporting isn't everything, but you can get this account reported if you have Dun and Bradstreet Credit Builder. It should be no problem whatsoever to get it reported to Dun and Bradstreet. So I'm like 99% sure that won't be a problem. But right now, they do not report to any business credit bureau. Anyways, that's all I wanted to tell you guys about on this video. I know it's not that great of a trade line, but I got many more coming that do report. It just, I want to stress out to you guys, reporting is not everything. If you get it self-reported, that's great. But even if you don't do the self-reporting option, then it can be used as a good trade line reference when you fill out some of these other applications that do require 3 to 5 trade references, because a lot of these other trade lines, you really can't put those down as trade line references, because you don't have a direct contact for, say, Synchrony Bank for them to reach out to, and you're going to end up getting denied. But at least with OtterBox, you can actually give them the head credit lady, I believe her name is Donna, and, they can reach out to her and give the information that, you're in good standing and that you've been paying and everything. And like I said, you can get it self-reported with Dun and Bradstreet if you have the credit builder. Anyways, that's all for this video. I got another video coming up after this within the next probably couple minutes. And that is a business credit card that you don't want to miss out on as well. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe. All right. Love you guys so much. Smash the thumbs up, share. Okay. Till next time, be safe. And if you can, tune in to Credit Josh tonight live stream about personal credit. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.